How to make your MacBook fan quieter. So if your laptop's getting too hot and the fan's becoming noisy, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So you want to start by placing your Mac on a hard surface such as a table or a desk. You'll then need to clean the vents at the back of your MacBook computer. So you can use something like a toothbrush or just a general brush, and you can try cleaning the vents at the bottom of your Mac and just try to remove any potential dust that may have accumulated in these vents. So it's really important that your Mac gets the proper airflow that it needs. Now once you've done this, there's a couple of things we need to do on the actual computer as well. So first click on the Apple logo and then press Force Quit. Now, if you're running multiple applications, this can slow down and cause your fan to run faster. So what you need to do is select any application that you're not using and then just press Force Quit and press the Force Quit button. You'll need to do that for all of the applications that you're not using. You can then click on the Apple logo and press System Settings. Now on the left-hand side, click on General and select Login Items and Extensions. At the very top here, you'll see all of the apps that automatically start when you first turn on your computer. So it's really important that we remove any apps that we don't need automatically starting. So you can do that just by selecting the app and clicking this minus button. Now, as you can see for me, all of my apps have already been removed. You can then come down to App Background Activity, and here's all the applications that are automatically running in the background. So if there's an application you don't need to be running in the background, just toggle this button to off, and then click back on General from the left-hand side, click on Software Update, and just ensure that your Mac is fully up to date. Sometimes software updates can also include performance fixes too. Now, once you've done this, you'll need to go and fully shut down your Mac computer. And once the Mac's shut down, we need to hold down the following keys on the keyboard. You need to hold down the left shift key, the control key, the option key, and also hold down the power button all for 10 seconds. Now, after holding all of these buttons down for 10 seconds, you can then go and release the buttons, and you can try turning your Mac computer on. And once you've done that, your MacBook fan should now be much quieter.